The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S680 continues to redefine what true luxury and craftsmanship mean in the world of automotive excellence. Building on a legacy of timeless design and engineering, this ultra-luxury sedan represents the pinnacle of Mercedes-Benz Maybach division. It combines top-tier technology, sumptuous materials, and an unmatched driving experience to cater to those seeking the ultimate in automotive indulgence. The exterior design of the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S680 is a statement of class and elegance. Its design is refined, balancing the bold presence typical of a luxury sedan with a sleek silhouette that underscores its sophistication. The Maybach grille with vertical chrome slats, the iconic three-pointed star on the hood, and its long wheelbase immediately distinguish it as the top of the line. With the option for two-tone paint finishes and multi-spoke forged alloy wheels, the attention to detail in the design is remarkable. Every aspect of the exterior is crafted to exude exclusivity and status. Let's start the interior. The 2025 Maybach S680 is a sanctuary of luxury. The cabin is meticulously crafted with the finest materials, from nappa leather upholstery to hand-finished wood trim. The seats are not just about comfort but are designed with multiple massage functions, heated and ventilated settings, and a host of adjustments to ensure every passenger feels like they are in a first-class lounge. In addition, the rear seats feature power recline, a calf rest, and extendable legroom, making the back of the car as comfortable as a luxury jet. The ambient lighting system, which can be personalized with 64 different colors, further enhances the serene atmosphere, making the interior a place of calm and relaxation, perfect for long journeys or daily commutes alike. Under the hood, the 2025 S680 is powered by a 6.0-liter V12 bi-turbo engine, delivering an impressive 621 horsepower and 738 pound-ft of torque. This engine ensures that the Maybach is not only about luxury but also performance, capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 4.4 seconds. This powerful engine is paired with Mercedes-Benz 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, which provides superior handling and control, even in challenging road conditions. The air suspension system, combined with advanced adaptive damping, guarantees a smooth and effortless ride, no matter the terrain. The level of engineering in the S680 ensures that it delivers an unparalleled driving experience, whether you are behind the wheel or relaxing in the back seat. Technologically, the 2025 S680 is as advanced as it is luxurious. The centerpiece is the Mercedes-Benz User Experience (MBUX) infotainment system, which features a 12.8-inch OLED central touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital driver display. The system offers intuitive voice control, gesture recognition, and haptic feedback. The MBUX system is also integrated with advanced AI, learning your preferences over time and adjusting settings to suit your needs. A Burmester 4D surround sound system delivers concert-like audio quality, enveloping passengers in an unparalleled sound experience. Additionally, rear-seat passengers have access to their own entertainment system, with dual high-resolution displays and wireless headsets, ensuring the Maybach experience is just as luxurious from every seat. Safety remains a top priority for Mercedes, and the 2025 S680 comes equipped with the latest driver assistance technologies. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and the updated Distronic system are all part of the package. Mercedes' semi-autonomous driving features continue to evolve, making long drives more comfortable while enhancing safety. The pre-save technology can detect potential collisions and automatically take protective measures like tightening seat belts or adjusting seat positions, ensuring occupants are safeguarded in case of an emergency. Furthermore, the night vision camera, 360-degree parking assist, and a host of other safety features make driving or being driven in the Maybach S680 a secure and confident experience. For those seeking customization, The 2025 Maybach S680 offers a vast array of personalization options. Customers can choose from a wide selection of interior and exterior color combinations, different seat configurations, and unique trim options. The extensive personalization ensures that no two Maybach S680s are alike, with each vehicle becoming a unique expression of its owner's style and taste. Whether opting for exclusive materials or bespoke finishes, the customization possibilities are virtually endless, enhancing the overall experience of ownership.